The hollow sound is ringing where your heart used to be. Have you found that your admiration will never set you free? Get your lies prepared, you're next in line for judgment day now. Are you praying? Are you begging that your anyone is?
Guess who it is? It's the best in the biz. Amber, be alert, cause they checking for the kid Henderson. Yeah, I'm back, just doing what I do. I'm bored with your games, I suggest you get a clue. Yeah, it's like they never knew, I can spit it so precise. Bet that I'm all up in their head like lice. I'll never take it back, I ain't taking your advice. And they know what I mean, motherfucker, cause I'm nice enough. Yeah, well I got what you need, and it might sound conceited, but I will not concede. I ain't fucking with rucks, and I'm way out of your league. I ain't messing with your scrubs, yeah, that's word that I can read enough. So close, motherfucker, I can taste it. Y'all don't see the vision, you should get some LASIK. Feeling so good, you could say I'm on that May shit. It came from the heart, so that's why I had to pace it.
To have your name scattered on the lips of the young. Now you claim that it's you on the tips of their tongue. And if you're proud of what you had to kill to get your thrill, well, I bet it stings to give up everything and realize that they don't want you. It's a lonely road where the forgotten go, where your misery finds its company. It's a long way down to the sacred ground where the reapers stand for peace.
I don't play, something like a mascot, and I'm focused. Treat me like an ascot, coming for your neck, yeah, I'm coming for respect. I ain't fucking with your crew, you got jokers like a deck, but